All right, so here's a quick update on my account that I opened on May 17th or 16th, I believe, and I started trading it on May 19th. So it has been 3 weeks since I've been trading this account, and today I had another losing trade. I had another loss. Here is the account, and as you can see, this is my 4th loss that I closed today. CalX, I entered it 2 days ago, and it is a loss, but you see, it's a $30 loss. Now, just as a reminder, here is my trading plan for this account. And by the way, if this is your first time here, you will see me trading my accounts live. Now, I have 8 or 9 different accounts. This is one of the accounts that I'm trading, and I'll be happy to show you live what I'm doing here. This is a rather small account, a $20,000 account. On this particular account, I choose to trade options using the PowerX strategy. And if you would like to have a copy of my trading plan that you see on the screen right now, just go to rockwelltrading.com/plan and I'll be happy to send you a copy. Anyhow, so keep in mind that on this account, on any given trade, I will not risk more than 2% of the account. And since the account is a $20,000 account, this means that I'm risking $400. Now, as you can see, I like to keep my losses small. All 4 losses right now have been less than $400. So MPLX, I had a loss of $257. Again, I was planning for a $400 loss, and I closed it with a $257 loss. MTDR with a $150 loss. SHAC with a $140 loss. CalX with a $30 loss. So as you can see, the total losses over the past 3 weeks are $577. Now, here's the important thing. Here you see currently all of my positions. So yes, I still have 15 positions still open in the account. Just for today alone, I'm up a little bit more than $2,000. So this means the current open P&L on the remaining 15 positions after having 4 losses are still $4,095. This means if I would sell every single position right now, I would make $3,500. Now, let me just break it down for you here because I think that this is very important. Today's session is titled How to Make Money Even If You Lose. So let's talk about this. I had a total of 19 trades. Out of these trades, I had 4 losing trades. And I have another 15 open trades. Now, on these 4 losing trades, I lost a total of $577. So it's a $577 loss. On all the open trades right now, I still have $4,101. Now, keep in mind, open P&L means that this can disappear here at any given time. So this means that right now, after trading this for a little bit, so the remaining open P&L, if I would close the account right now, is $3,650 approximately. It changes all the time here because we're looking at it right now. So how can you make money even if you lose? Because this is what I want to show you right now. It is super important because this is one of the lessons that I had to learn as a trader. So the key, the absolute key here is keep your losses small. Is this making sense? So you gotta keep the losses small because here's the deal. Let me just show you something. $577 loss on 4 losing trades. So these were 4 losing trades. If I would just close one of the other winning trade, you see there's Run that makes almost $1,200. There's West that is $585. There's Cars with $450. You know what? I'm very, very tempted right now to close West to make $585 to show you that one winning trade can make back the losses of 4 trades. Now let's think about it. And since we have some time, I might actually do this. So this here is so critical. This is why I want to highlight this in yellow. You gotta keep your losses small. The reason why I lost in the beginning of my trading career and why many traders are losing is usually because they let their losses run for so too long. Has this ever happened to you? If so, leave a comment and let me know if you had a loss that turned from a small loss into a larger loss. You see, this is one of the lessons that I have learned as a trader. You gotta keep your losses small because then, so if I would close a WES for $585, right? Watch this. This is why it is so important. I would have had a total of 5 trades. 4 trades are losing trades, okay? one trade is a winning trade. What is my winning percentage here? It's a 20% winning percentage. 20% winning percentage, that is lousy, right? I mean, most traders are looking for a winning percentage of 60%, 70%, 80%. But you see, even with a small winning percentage of only 20%, I can make money. This is why it's so important. Now, keep in mind, if I have, let's say, I have another 3 winning trades. And right now, as you know, there's 15 more trades in my account, most of them being positive. So right now, I only have 2 trades that are losing right now. It's TVTY and BE. All the other trades are winning trades here. And the question is that some of you are asking, is it okay to close out a trade early? Usually I stick to my rules 100% of the time, right? And my rules are very easy. Here is when I'm exiting. But here's what I'm going to do now. I want to see if one of these trades is close to my profit target, because I want to show you how one trade can make back all the money that you lost on 4, 5, maybe even 6 trades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going through my list of all the trades that I have on, and I want to see if any of these trades is close to its profit target. Here's run, one of the positions I'm in, up $1,200 right now. I want this trade to go up to 21.62. Right now it's at 18.63, so that's not close enough. Oh, this looks actually good. So WES, I want to sell when it goes to 11.64. Right now it's trading at 11.08. Now again, I'm just doing it, so very, very important. I am doing it here for you so that you can see how one winning trade can make back several losing trades that you had, as long as you keep your losses small. Is this making sense? I right mouse click on WES and then close. There we go. With all 5 options. So I was trading 5 options here. And right now you see the bid is at 220 and the ask is at 265. So I'm trying to come in here somewhere in the middle. I want to see if somebody's taking me up at 240, which would be kind of the midpoint. So this is a sell to close, super easy. And I want to do this again, knowing exactly that I'm violating a rule. I'm getting out of it a little bit early because I want to show you how one winning trade can make up for several losing trades. So review and send, we are good to go. Let's see if I'm getting filled. Boom, there we are. We got filled at 240. Okay, so here's the important thing. Now let me show you the history here. Let me show you what is happening here now year to date. You see, right now, I'm only down $2. It just updated. Can you see this? I had the losses of, what was it, $577, and I just made $575 on one trade. And therefore, right now, year to date, after having closed 5 trades, I'm only down $2. But you see, right now, my open P&L is $3,500. Is this making sense? So, wrapping it up here a little bit, because I wanted to show you what is happening. And again, this is a $20,000 account. If I would close everything right now, I would make $3,500. That is what? Not quite 20%, but a solid 15% here, right? That's not bad after 3 weeks of trading. And I'll be happy to really send you my trading plan here. Just go to rockwelltrading.com/plan and I'll send you a copy of this. I am using my software, the PowerX Optimizer, to find the very best stocks to trade. And if you're interested in learning more about PowerX Optimizer, go to mytradingroutine.com. Anyhow, so to wrap it up here, very important. What is the key? What is the key? How can you make money even if you lose? Most of the time, you see, I lost 4 times and only thus far had 1 winning trades that I closed out, but still a lot of other winning trades here. The key is to keep your losses small. Now, has this been helpful? Because if it is, do me a favor and just click on like or leave a comment if this is helpful. If you enjoyed this video, then consider subscribing to the channel. Or if you're watching this on Facebook, there's also probably a way to subscribe, because this way you get notified whenever I release a new video. And there should be right now some videos popping up on the screen. And if you like this video, you probably enjoy some of the other videos here. So make sure that you click on one of these videos and watch this as well.